Lori.
Oh, that's. Do you need me to jump start you?
Happy birthday. Ready?
Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You're not done.
Happy birthday, Lori. Yay!
Happy birthday
Birthday to you.
Yay! Now can you say I love you
I love you.
and I miss you?
I miss you.
Can you blow kisses?
Oh, that was
perfect. We love you, Aunt Lori.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Again.
Happy birthday.